Hey fam, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about some new bundles and a closure that I received from WIGGINS hair, and I did get the lengths 18 for the closure and 18, 20, 22, and 22 for the bundles. I did not fit all 4 bundles into this wig, but I did get 3.5 and the closure. So this is what the hair looks like. I have not washed it yet, so I'm not sure how it's going to air dry, but this is how it looks when it first comes, you know, straight out the pack. I love the curl pattern. I think it's so gorgeous. It's like those effortless loose waves, and I love them. So I went ahead and made the wig using my typical way, my weave glue, and I sewed the closure down to a spandex cap and glued the bundles onto the cap. If you want to see a tutorial on how I make my wigs with glue, I will leave a link in the information bar down below. And yes, so I just added my mousse to mold down the part. If you don't have time to like really set your part and you want to just do it quickly, you can always just use mousse and just mold it down in the way that you want it. Then I went ahead and used my edge control to gel down my edges, and then I added my Got To Be Glue gel on top to basically make it harden into place where I wanted it. I did decide to push the hair behind my ear, so I used my own baby hairs as the sideburns, and I used the WIGGS baby hairs at the top. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did right there. And then on the other side, I just went ahead and used the WIGGS baby hairs on the side. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did, you guys. The hair is super, super soft, bouncy. Like I said, beautiful curls. I really, really love it. The hair came within 4 days of being shipped. I received tracking from the company, and you know, it was really nice customer service. They were cool. What else? It came DHL, you know, your standard DHL packaging, nothing too crazy. Yeah, so I really like this hair, but like I said, this is just a show and tell. It's not really a review yet because I haven't worn the hair enough to see how it performs. That's just like a shineness that I put on there to give the hair some extra luster and shine, and you know, just to make sure that it's well conditioned. Then I went ahead and decided to define my part a little bit more. So I just grabbed my Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette by Too Faced and grabbed the neutral brown shade and just added that into my part so that it would give it a nice little bit of definition. So other than that, you guys, this is what the hair looks like. I'm really, really happy with it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
So I choke you down just like a pill.